Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a natural everyday makeup routine for beginners. So let's get right into it. First, I'm taking my Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched face base to moisturize and prime my face. And throughout the video, you will hear my smoke detector. I need to change the battery, so I am so sorry, y'all. Next, I'm taking my favorite foundation at the moment by Makiage. Why didn't you guys tell me about this? I know I'm super late on this bandwagon, but yeah, they sent me some products and this video is not sponsored. But I'm just showing you guys that this foundation is bomb. Like, look how well that covered up that dark spot on my chin. This foundation reminds me of Lancome. It's beautiful, it's flawless, the color match is perfect. I'm in love. So I am wearing this foundation all summer. Next, I'm taking my favorite concealer by Too Faced Born This Way in the shade Chestnut, and I am going over the typical places where I will highlight underneath my eyes, below my nose, my chin, and my forehead. To contour, I am taking my Fenty Beauty matchstick in the shade Espresso. And I'm going to be using this to contour the typical places where I would contour, which is basically around the perimeter of my face, my cheekbones. And I'm going to be taking a little bit along the sides of the bridge of my nose. Afterwards, I like to blend out that product first. So I'm taking this brush to blend out that contour, and I like to blend the contour down on my forehead, and then on my cheeks I like to kind of blend it up. And I definitely did blend out that contour on my jawbone. Next, I am taking a small detailed brush to blend out that nose contour. Finally, I'm going to go ahead and blend out that concealer that's been sitting on my face for a few moments. So I'm just taking my e.l.f. concealer brush and I'm just patting that product in to blend it out. On this step, I really like to take my time on blending out this product, simply because I feel like concealer can be very heavy, and I feel like a brush does an amazing job. Next, I'm taking my foundation brush and I'm just using this to blend everything together, the lighter concealer and the contour. I'm going to be taking my Mercier translucent powder and the white shade. I'm just going to be first patting that in with this Real Techniques brush, and then later on you're going to see me bake. And I feel like the white powder just gives me more of a flawless airbrushed look versus these yellow tone powders. I highly recommend a white powder for every type of skin tone. You see, I am a dark skinned woman and white looks flawless. It doesn't look cakey. It doesn't look ghost-like. Like, you need white. White should be in everybody's collection. Do not let these Instagram makeup artists for you. Like, if you're dark skinned, you can use a white powder. I highly recommend it. I like to take some additional, I like to take some additional powder and apply it right below where I contoured. And I like to do this first before I go in and set my contour. So you'll see that later on. To set my contour, I am taking my Charlotte Tilbury bronzer in the shade Deep 4. And I'm just using that same brush that I used to blend out that contour. To set my nose contour, I only like using the Fenty Beauty bronzer in the shade Mocha Mommy. For some reason, I just feel like it gives me more of a warm look, and it looks best here. I like taking some additional powder to clean up my nose contour for a more cleaner, sharp look. Now it's time for the brows. I am a base first, brows second type of girl. So we are filling in our brows using the ColourPop Precision Brow Pencil in the shade Bangin' Brunette. If you are not already doing your brows second to your base, I highly recommend it. I feel like it gives you more of a natural look. You don't have to do the most, especially when you're using a pencil. Definitely do your brows second, period. To clean up underneath my brows, I like taking that same concealer from Too Faced Born This Way, and I'm just going to go ahead and basically underline it. I don't take this color all the way to the tip of my brows, but I do blend it down. Now you see me blending out that concealer, and then you're going to see me set it with that white translucent powder. Alright, so now I'm taking my Fenty Beauty bronzer again, and I'm going to go ahead and give my eyelids a flesh tone look. So I'm basically applying this all over my eyelids. Finally, I am sweeping that white powder off my face, and then I am going to be taking my MAC Mineralize Skin Finish powder in the shade Dark Deepest to set my entire face. Next, I'm going to be taking this blush palette. I absolutely love this palette. And I'm going to be taking that orange shade right there in the middle and applying it on my cheeks for some color. I'm just fixing up my brows a little bit. I like bringing my brows a little bit inward to give me more of a full look. Now I am taking my Fenty, what is this? The Diamond Bomb highlighter in the shade Cognac Candy to highlight my face a little bit. I am taking my favorite setting spray in the whole wide world by Morphe, and I'm spraying my face. Love, love, love. If you do not already have this in your collection, you are missing out. And I'm going to go ahead and finish off my eye look, top it off with some mascara on my top and bottom lashes. I am going to be taking these lashes from ELSW the brand in the style Boss Lady. These are the most natural lashes ever that you can wear with makeup or without. And as you guys can see, I did not use any eyeliner for today. I love a makeup look without eyeliner nowadays because eyeliner can be extremely messy. So we're just going to top it off with these beautiful lashes. For my lips, I'm going to be taking some lip gloss from Fenty Beauty, and I'm just going to be applying my lip gloss. And I'm also going to be overlining my lips for a more pout effect. I love doing this step. So if you are not already overlining your lips, whether it's with lipstick, lip liner, lip gloss, what are you doing with your life? And then next I'm going to be taking some gloss from Maybelline. It's a pink tone, and this is just to provide more of a baby look or baby lips look. And yeah, y'all, I think this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I really enjoyed filming this look for you guys. I love the way that this look came out. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure you subscribe, like, and comment down below. I think this is also going to be my look for the rest of the year. Like, I just love the way that this came out. So yeah, we're gonna get into some close-ups, and I will definitely see you guys on my next one. Bye, y'all.